We showed you earlier, at least one tornado has already touched down in downtown Springfield, Massachusetts. Our Pinpoint Weather Team coverage continues now with meteorologist TJ Del Santo.
And it's quite some dramatic footage out of Springfield, Massachusetts. We've been tracking these storms all afternoon, some across New York State, Vermont, and New Hampshire. But this one is actually the most impressive, not just because we caught it on video, but it seems to be the most powerful of all the storms in the Northeast today. And you can see this storm. It actually developed in Westfield, Mass, and moved into the West Springfield area. You can see some of the debris being picked up. It looks like it's at least several blocks wide. So it's a fairly wide tornado here, and it's a little hard to tell how strong it is. But you can see some of the debris getting picked up, dust blowing around, and it actually moved across the Connecticut River, where it was probably picking up some water there and more debris, and then eventually over into the eastern part of Springfield. And if you're familiar with Springfield, there are some very large skyscrapers in that part of Springfield, so there might even be some damage in that part of the city as well. And as it crossed over the Connecticut River, it actually kind of lost a bit of its circulation, but nonetheless it's still a very dangerous situation as it tracking across western parts of Massachusetts. In fact, just to give you an idea about where this is, it was located, at least it was reported by an amateur radio operator on Main Street in Springfield, and it was moving off to the east at about 40-50 miles an hour. It's actually well to the east of Springfield already and moving across southern Worcester County, and places like Palmer, Munson, Wales, Brimfield, and Warren, Massachusetts are all watching this particular storm very closely. So obviously some pretty dramatic video from Springfield. We'll be monitoring the satellite feeds very closely and see if there are any more developments from that tornado. Reporting live, I'm TJ Del Santo, Eyewitness News.
All right.